All right, welcome back. Another in my hot take series, short videos, quick discussions on men's underwear, fitness gear, swimwear, and whatever else I can think of. So, fun topic. I always appreciate the niche community I have here. Much more people interested in it than what I had ever expected. So, thanks for watching. Anyway, we have an Ergowear set of underwear in front of me here, men's underwear from the brand Ergowear. It's red. This is a company that I believe they're out of South America. They're a fairly popular brand that you do see a lot of. The materials are synthetic. These ones are probably really good for fitness if you want to wear them under gym clothes. They are comfortable. That's probably one of the things that I like a lot about this brand, is that they are comfortable to wear. This particular one has basically, it's a thong, has a big bulge pouch, a lot of pouch here, and it has a very soft band. The bands matter. You don't want to be scraped, pinched, or too tight. So think about that. I got this in a large, and it's made in Chile, and it is, I think it says 89% polyamide, 11% elastane or spandex there. So this one, for me, I have one in blue, a similar one, and I think I have one other one from this brand. The sizing is weird for me. I would recommend going down a size. If you're in between sizes, instead of going up, go down. So I kind of wish I had a medium on this one. The band is soft enough where a medium wouldn't squish. The problem I have, the pouch on this thing is so big. Like I could put everything I have in here, then carry my lunch for the next day or something. So it's very big. It can be tall as well, so it kind of can look like a lot of loose fabric. I don't know. So it has, as you can see, big pouch. And the back is just a traditional, almost a G-string. It's just a waistband and a middle strap. And, you know, these are okay. They're good to have in the collection, but the traditional wideband and kind of whale tail design is what I prefer, because I think it's more interesting. Again, these are fun, but they can be a bit shapeless at times. So I do recommend this for comfort, but get your right size, your correct size. Don't buy more than one if you've never ordered from them. Make sure you're buying the right size. I would order more, but I would maybe not order this design. I'd certainly go down in size. I love the red color. The logos are not too bad, just in the back. And run it in front. It's, you know, it is apparent what it is, but it's not too bad. Colors are basic. It's fine. Again, you got comfort going for these. You got cool colors. What also I'm not crazy about is the pricing on these. For what it is, these are a few more dollars than other brands, and I think because of the mixed sizing and the so-so design and the premium price, I don't recommend this particular brand over other ones. I think the Jor brand is better. I think some of the Amazon China-based ones are better. Some of the Good Devil ones, even the CoverMail ones, I think are a better value. If they tightened up their sizing, maybe did some different designs, dropped the price a couple dollars, then I think these would be more appealing. So thanks for watching. If you want to see this being worn more set of photos, check out my OnlyFans. I view this as an extension for what I do on YouTube. It's similar theme, just gives you a better view of the product here. And then of course follow me on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, turn on your notifications so you don't want to miss out on my next video coming up. Once again, thanks for watching.